Microsoft Teams offers many impressive and valuable video conference features. User can host full HD calls with up to 250 members, which includes the ability to share screen and record calls. Users can also meet or collaborate on the go using Microsoft Teams apps for smartphones and tablets. Video calling is an essential tool in the modern workplace, since employers are more frequently working remotely or from various office locations. Using Microsoft Teams, employers can quickly meet virtually, discuss, brainstorm, and work on documents in real time. You can start a group call from the Chat tab. If you already have a group, just click it. On the top right, you have two buttons, a video call button and an audio call button. You can also start a group call with persons that are not added to a group. Just click on the Calls tab. Click on Make a Call. You will need to search the name of the person who you wish to start the call. Let's add two persons. On the bottom, we have Audio and Video Calls button. Tap on one of them. A new call has started now. The system is pretty nice and I love the design. From the start, you will be able to invite persons to the meeting. You can copy the meeting link or send an email. On the call, you will have a button to start and stop the video. You can put here audio on mute. On the call, you can share the screen with this button. On the three dots menu, you can enter in full screen, turn on live caption, end the meeting, and turn off the incoming video calls. Also, the next button is raise hand. You can show the organizer of the meeting you wish to say something. The chat button will open the conversation and the participants button will show you the current persons in the meeting, and you will be able to invite somebody to the call. You have started a call now. You can try to use these features to be used to it. If this was useful, please like, share and subscribe. You can also watch more videos from the right. Also, if you have any questions, please ask them in the comments area below.